Hello and welcome to Tipping the Scales Exotics. Here I am at the FedEx Ship Center coming to pick up a new snake. This is going to be the last snake that probably the last animal I buy this year. So I'm running out of places to put things, so I gotta make it manageable. But I'm getting a new hognose snake today. It's going to be arriving sometime within the next hour and a half, so patiently waiting. Okay, I have it at home. Looking forward to this Western hognose snake. Can't wait. Okay, let's get this box open. Alright, so I got this guy from Hog Alchemy. He is a male, and he is het for lavender. And I don't remember what the rest of the genetics are. I asked him to include it. There we go. Genetics and magic. Hog Alchemy. That's cute. It's got like a little sticker or... Oh, it's like a little paper clip, a snake paper clip. That's really cute. Oh, I love that. Okay. Oh, so let's see. Male Arctic Conda Het Sable. He should be Het Lavender too, but he didn't write that on there. I'm gonna have to contact him. Alright then. It looks like he was born July 13th, 2025. Let's get him out of the container and take a look. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful baby boy. It's nice and warm, so he didn't get cold in that pack. Oh, look at him. He's so pretty. Well, on the camera, his color looks green. Oopie! Let me put you... Oh no. He's trying to be spicy. Look at him go. Right into your container. Isn't he a beauty? Look at him. Wow, you can really see the Arctic outline on this guy, on his head. That is amazing. But I'm going to have to contact the breeder because I specifically said I wanted a het lavender. And this doesn't say anything about lavender. So, I'm going to have to call him. Alright. I got him on Morph Market. So, if you are interested in a beautiful hognose snake, you can contact this breeder. I'm going to contact the breeder myself real quick. News, I got a hold of the breeder. So this guy is 50% het for lavender. So both of the parents were het lavender, so there's a chance that they could have gave him that gene. So fingers crossed we got the lavender, because I'm trying to get a moonstone, which means I need 2 copies of Arctic and 2 copies of lavender. So I'm going to pair this with my Arctic het lavender female, and hopefully I hit for on the first breeding to get my moonstones for super Arctic lavenders. This one you can really see the Arctic show up in the head. You can see that black outline really clearly. It's not as clear on my female. Alright guys, thank you for watching here at Tipping the Scales Exotics. You have a great rest of your day.